Hey.
Are you gonna crawl?
You're definitely stretched out good. Gotta take that left leg and put it somewhere else in your way.
You can do it. Come on, Jonathan.
You wanna do the song, Mom?
Jonathan, let's sing. Ready? Okay. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Good job.
Yeah.
Yay! That's very good.
Good job, buddy. Alright, say I gotta go. I gotta go figure this crawling thing out. Say bye-bye, everybody. Can you wave?
Bye-bye.
Wave bye-bye. I know you can do it.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Good job.